tulikuwa tunanunua oxygen from BOC. Wako na branch Meru. The cost of one cylinder was around 5,500. But now we are producing like here, free of charge. We are using nothing. Tunatumia tu hewa hii hewa tuna breathe in and power electricity. Very cheap. And the oxygen available here is sufficient for all public hospitals in Tharaka Nithi, and you can manage to help other hospitals here and outside Tharaka Nithi. This plant was installed as 2020, and that time we had no issues with the COVID. But later, March last year, COVID struck the country, the world, and the consumption of oxygen due to COVID is very high. But we are lucky one. We have an oxygen plant, which was donated by our Excellency, Honorable Muthomi Njuki. Now we can provide oxygen to COVID people, that is COVID in isolation. So if you are there and you have a COVID, kindly go to public hospital, you'll get oxygen. Oxygen is there in plenty. If you have issues with COVID, difficulties in breathing and all those the symptoms of the COVID, kindly go to isolation in Chuka Hospital. It's free of charge. Oxygen is there in plenty. From kupimwa to treatment, it's free.